Hi guys, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ito naman pong kaibigan niyo si Jake. Sa video natin ngayon, i-promote lang namin ang aming IT consulting services. Kasama ko dito ang aking matalik na kaibigan, si Sir Jason Castellano. Nag-offer po kami ng software development, IT consulting, IT project management. Kung nagkakaproblema po kayo sa inyong system, saan kayo pwede makapagawa ng program like payroll, inventory, information system, point of sale, websites, e-commerce websites, mobile applications. We are here to help. Usap tayo guys, no? Don't worry guys, because we try to adjust, no? We can meet in the middle kung whatever budget that you have, and then kung ano ang maitulong namin sa inyong business, organizations, individual, kung may papagawa kayo ng mga programs, let us talk. Ang aming specialty is more on web development using Laravel framework, HTML, CSS, Node.js, JavaScript, jQuery, MySQL. And then may capacity din kami sa mobile development, no? Well, we have already served almost 10 clients, no, dito at sa kalabas ng bansa, no. So give us a try, no. Kung gusto nyo talaga, mag-usap tayo. We can discuss ano ba ang inyong concern sa inyong systems. We are here to help. Let us collaborate. Let us work together and achieve our common goal, na ma-solve ang inyong problema sa inyong software projects or applications. Tumatanggap din kami ng one-on-one consulting or tutorial. Kaming dalawa ni Sir Jason ay nagtuturo din kami ng computer programming, Java, C, C++, Python, C#, kung anong language, no, na gusto nyong matutunan. Fundamentals of information technology, computer science, we are capable of teaching that at a very affordable fee, no? Ilalagay ko dito sa description ang contact details ko, ang email address and mobile number na pwede nyo kaming makontak. Once again, kung gusto nyo, no, ma-solve ang inyong problema sa IT, software development, please contact us, no? We will work together for our common good, no? So yun lang po guys. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Please follow me in my Facebook and YouTube channel. Maraming salamat po. Ito naman pong kaibigan niyo si Jake. Paalam guys, see you in the next video.